Welcome to Solve It Like a Marketer. I'm Stephen Hobey. Today I'll be answering the question, what is the halo effect in marketing? If you like this video, please subscribe and don't go away. So what is the halo effect? Well, the halo effect is what we call a cognitive bias, where one trait influences how you feel about other unrelated traits. Okay, so to put it more simply, the human brain is powerful, but it also is subject to limitations. Cognitive biases are often a result of your brain's attempt to simplify information. These biases often work as rules of thumb that help you make sense of the world and reach decisions. Now, it is this decision-making process that many marketers tap into when employing the halo effect. So let's look closer. So we could say that attractiveness, for instance, is an example of the halo effect. People tend to perceive good-looking people to be more intelligent, successful, and popular. More attractive political candidates tend to be perceived as more knowledgeable, even actually if that isn't the case. But where did this concept come from? Well, it was coined by Edward Thorndike in a 1920 research paper. The research presented tackled various industries and proposed that we don't evaluate things objectively, but through the lens of bias. We may not actually even be aware of this. Marketers and advertisers have been using the halo effect for a long time. They realize that by associating a brand or product with something or someone attractive, they could raise the perceived value of that product or brand. Now, this strategy is used in a variety of ways, from celebrity endorsements to the use of beautiful people and appealing design. This approach has become extremely powerful for big corporate brands. Good example is Nike, because their shoes have a strong reputation. By proxy, people also trust other Nike products such as golf clubs. So how does this help you exactly? So personally, I'm a big fan of endorsements. Whether you are operating in the for-profit or non-profit world, having people with influence speak well of you can really help raise awareness of your brand. And this is especially true in the realm of social media. If an influencer has significant following and they share your brand name, this will elicit the halo effect. So I encourage you to seek out these opportunities. Yeah, it might be a bit of work, but trust me, it will be worth it in the long run. Now, having said this, there is the flip side. Occasionally, a brand may be associated with a celebrity who later gets themselves into trouble. And this can, in turn, reflect badly on the brand. So it's best you choose wisely when it comes to endorsements. Make sure they are trusted. They are a trusted figure with a strong reputation and background. Don't go for the easy route of choosing anyone with a big name. Do your homework and vet your endorser. If you have other ideas on how to use the halo effect for small businesses or nonprofits, please comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. You can also catch me on Instagram and Facebook for extra content. And well, you never miss an episode. The links are below. I'll see you every week with a new video, so please stay tuned, and together, let's solve it like a marketer.